Ethernet cable and LAN cable are terms that people often use to mean the same thing, but they are a little different. First, let's understand what Ethernet is. Ethernet is a way or a set of rules that devices use to talk to each other over a wired network. It tells devices how to send and receive data. You can think of Ethernet as the language or method that computers and other devices use to communicate when they are connected by cables. Now, a LAN cable is the actual physical cable that connects devices in a local area network or LAN. A LAN is a small network, like the one in your home, office, or school. The LAN cable is what links your computer, printer, router, or other devices so they can share information and the internet. The most common type of LAN cable is the Ethernet cable. This cable is made to carry Ethernet signals, which means it follows the Ethernet rules for communication. So, all Ethernet cables are LAN cables, but not all LAN cables are Ethernet cables. For example, some LAN cables might be fiber optic or coaxial cables, but when people say LAN cable, they usually mean an Ethernet cable with an RJ45 connector. To make it easier, imagine a LAN as a neighborhood where all the houses are connected. The LAN cables are like the roads that connect the houses. Ethernet is like the traffic rules that cars follow on those roads. An Ethernet cable is a special kind of road built to support those traffic rules well. For example, when you connect your laptop to your router using a cable with a plug that looks like a big phone jack called RJ45, you are using an Ethernet cable. This cable helps your laptop talk to the router and get internet. If you connect a printer to the router with a cable so everyone in the office can print, that cable is a LAN cable, usually an Ethernet cable. In short, Ethernet is the technology or language devices used to communicate, and LAN cable is the physical wire that connects devices in a network. Ethernet cables are the most common type of LAN cables used in homes and offices. So, for beginners, you can think of Ethernet cable and LAN cable as almost the same thing, especially when talking about the cables you use to connect your computer to the internet.